And I've always said I love the dentist. I love the people. I love having conversations with Dr. Jones. I feel like better when I leave. My day is made every time I come.
Even though I've only been coming to Dr. Jones for a year, I feel like this place is family. They're very easygoing, easy to talk to.
When you come in, you just feel the energy of the office, like from the front staff to the back staff and the hygienists and Dr. Jones. They're just really positive people, and they're super professional.
It's the staff, it's everyone. They make you feel comfortable, make you feel at ease, makes going to the dentist a pleasant experience.
Oftentimes people ask me, how would you describe your office? And the first thing that comes to mind is I say we are a dental version of Cheers, and we want you to feel like you're at home. We try to treat everyone here like family, and that everyone knows your name. So as you come into our office, not only will you be greeted by Lena or Kathy and have a warm experience, but when you go into the treatment rooms, we are fortunate enough to have amazing views of the Pacific Ocean or the hills of Newport Beach. Immediately, you don't feel like you're walking into a dental office. Most people feel like they are walking into a spa. It is really important to our team that you come in and feel that you are known and valued.
Dr. Jones does that with every single patient that he meets. He knows so much about each person, and he genuinely cares. Anyone who comes into our office will feel cared for across the board, whether they're taken care of by our assistants, our front office personnel, or Dr. Jones himself. They truly care about the individual as a person, not just their teeth.
It does feel like family coming here when people know you on your first name basis, whether they're cleaning your teeth or you walk by them in the hallway.
In all cases, in all treatment, number one, I would want to ask the question, would I do it on me? If I would not do it on me, I am not going to do it on you.
I know that when I come to see Dr. Jones that he's going to be honest, and he's going to be reasonable, and he's not going to do work that is unnecessary.
We want our patients to have a good experience. We want them to feel confident that we're not over-treating, we're not under-treating. We are addressing the issues as we see them and as we would our own family member.
Even with the Invisalign I just did, I wasn't sure I wanted to do it, but he just talked me through the different options. You can do this, you can try this, and I didn't feel like he was pushy at all, and I just really appreciated the respect that he shows us as patients.
I've been married to Dr. Jones for 30 years, and he has a strong sense of integrity. He's very professional. He cares about what he does. He's very detail-oriented, and he's a perfectionist, which is a good thing in dentistry.
What he does, his talent, I take as much pride in his work as he does, and I love that I can refer all of my friends and family here and just really believe in our practice and everybody who's here and a part of it.
I really enjoy working with him because he's such a perfectionist, and he provides quality dentistry and is always staying on top of the latest, greatest things to offer to his patients.
One of my professional goals is to be someone who loves to learn, which I do, and to have the vision of being a lifetime learner. Looking at everything that I do, I try to think of, is there a better way? Is there a better way to do this procedure? Is there a better way to make our office feel more comfortable? Always asking, is there a better way? We have technology, but we don't have technology for technology's sake. If that technology provides a better patient experience, if we're able to treat you better, then that's something we want in our office. People often ask me, well, why should I come to you, or what sets you apart from all the other dentists around? And I would say, one, there's very few people around, I think, that looks at a complete approach when it comes to their exams. If you come in and you have problems with your jaw joint, oftentimes we can treat you with what's known as an equilibration, where we adjust your bite to give you a comfortable way to bring your teeth together. We also can replace missing teeth with bridges or implants. We can move your teeth into a better position with Invisalign. We can take care of your cavities with tooth-colored fillings. We are a warm, welcoming environment, and we try to provide a complete dental care, which we care for all your oral health needs.
We're not just here for dentistry. Pretty much all of our employees, we really want to get into people's lives. We want to make a difference. We want them to leave with a positive feeling about themselves, about their teeth, and about their health in general. We want our patients to have a holistic care. And that's what they get here.
We want to be authentic in how we care for you and how we converse with you and how we become your friend as well as your dentist or your hygienist. And we want to be a place of integrity where you can trust that we have your best interests at heart.
Dr. Jones is, he is a caring man. You just know he cares more about the whole person, not just about your teeth. He really does care, and I trust him, and he has great experience.
Actually, it's quite a long drive for us. We drive from Culver City, so it's like an hour and a half. So, we're coming here for a reason. It's just, we feel very safe here. We feel really looked after. I bring all three of my kids here.
I mean, I've probably never loved coming to a dentist so much as I've loved coming to this office, because it is like visiting friends.
I'm super proud to say that I'm a patient of Dr. Jones. It's been an incredible experience, and I wouldn't want to go to any other dentist.
I can't imagine going to anybody else. I don't want anybody else in my teeth, that's for sure.